could have another day of consolidation, but anyway, if we hold up, if we open over this in the gap here, I want to trade the gap. I don't see why we couldn't try to close the gap. If we open under it, then we'll probably just consolidate and we'd stay under it and consolidate, maybe even pull back into yesterday's Black Magic 43 area. It's 45 on the 60-minute 9. Could get a 20-point short and then a bounce off of this, make another run for it, maybe try to close the gap on another day, or maybe try to close the gap from the run off of 45 again. So see where it opens.
Order filled.
55 is the short. I'm taking it. I got filled on that one.
Order filled.
Right. Nice. Paid myself. Looks like we're gonna get some more downside maybe, but I got paid myself right there. I took off 8 of them. I don't know if I want to add. I got a couple left, so if this runs, you know, I've got some, put a little bit more on the books here. Nice, but I'm not getting long here. I'm not adding anything yet. Now, where's a good place to add? Let's say we got a 40, we got a 60-minute setup at 40. We're probably, once we broke this Black Magic, you know, we're going back to 19. I mean, that's the only other place I'm interested in being long, right? We've already broke the 40 area that I was interested in. The only other place would be, you know, down at 19, right? So if we can close this 5-minute candle and come back up, you know, into the Black Magic, that's a potentially good setup. I think the bulls, the way we're holding 40, we're in a positive slope. So I think the bulls are, you know, there's a good chance they're going to be able to get it to break up here. Anyway, I'm just being patient here, man. If we're going to consolidate all day here, or, you know, in the morning between 40 and where we've set up right there, then I need this 5-minute candle to close anyway. I'm hoping the bulls buy this up and we get back into that 55. I got an order sitting out if we can get up there.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add if we get to 55. So far, I had the bottom tick on that on this 5-minute candle anyway. I didn't get filled my combo, but this is still, you know, I got the 1 strike on. Nice, man. I damn near bottom tick that candle. So if we can break this 43 again, we are, you know, keep in mind we're 11 minutes in this hour. Okay, I want to use this hour to my full advantage. I'm getting ready to take some profits. If we do show any signs of bounce, I'm going to take some profits here. We're breaking 40 and we're, you know, 14 minutes in. Let's go. Here we are. Look at this area right here on the 15. This is where we traded yesterday over and over again. Let's see if we can break this or not. If we close over that, I'm definitely taking profits.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm going to take some profits there. Couldn't pass that up. Ain't no telling how this thing's going to go, right? We may not even see 20. So again, I'm selling 8. I'm selling 8 and keeping 2. I'm selling the majority of it. That way, no matter what, I just got paid really good. And if we bounce back up here and I get stopped out on a couple, or we bounce up here and I get stopped out on a couples, it's nothing, right? If we come back up here, but if we keep going and I have a couple on and we go all the way to 20, that's a significant, you know, that's a significant hold. If we